10 cities where street art is a must-see. Did you know that some cities wear their walls like galleries, turning everyday streets into pulsating canvases of culture, history, and rebellion? Street art isn't just graffiti anymore. It's a powerful form of storytelling, a mirror reflecting society's deepest hopes and conflicts, and in some places a booming tourist magnet. Today, we're exploring 10 cities where street art is not just decoration but a must-see experience, offering vibrant colors, provocative messages, and mind-blowing creativity that redefine urban life. Whether you're an art lover, a cultural explorer, or just someone who appreciates a good splash of color on a gray wall, these cities will open your eyes to a world where walls talk and streets come alive. Berlin, Germany. Berlin's street art scene is legendary. A living, breathing museum that sprawls across neighborhoods like Kreuzberg and Friedrichshain. What makes Berlin unique is its history. The fall of the Berlin Wall turned these concrete slabs into canvases for freedom, protest, and hope. The risk? Some artworks are fleeting as gentrification and redevelopment threaten to wipe out this urban gallery, but luckily, the city fiercely protects its street art culture. Think of it as an open-air art museum with a rebel soul, where you can find everything from politically charged murals to surrealist masterpieces. If you're visiting, bring comfy shoes and an open mind, because wandering through Berlin's street art is like walking through decades of raw human expression. Valparaiso, Chile. Perched on the Pacific coast, Valparaiso is a kaleidoscope of color with hillsides covered in vibrant murals that tell stories of struggle, hope, and local legends. This UNESCO World Heritage City balances its chaotic charm with a deep tradition of street art as an essential part of its identity. While some neighborhoods have seen rising crime, the artistic community remains tight-knit and welcoming, using art as a shield and a voice for social issues. Exploring Valparaiso's labyrinthine streets feels like stepping into a living gallery where every turn surprises you with a new narrative. Just be ready to climb some steep hills. Consider it a workout to prepare you for all that visual feast. Melbourne, Australia. If you're after street art that's as diverse as its multicultural population, Melbourne's laneways deliver in style. Known as Australia's unofficial street art capital, the city is famed for its constantly changing murals, stencils, and paste-ups. The city authorities take a surprisingly balanced approach, regulating some areas while allowing artists freedom elsewhere, which keeps the scene fresh and legal without losing that underground edge. Some spots can get crowded, especially on weekends, but the buzz only adds to the city's vibrant atmosphere. Pro tip: take a guided walking tour or just let your curiosity lead you down those narrow laneways. You'll be amazed by how many stories the walls can tell. Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon's steep hills and historic neighborhoods create a perfect backdrop for street art that blends tradition with bold modernity. This city has embraced murals as a way to revitalize neglected areas, with local and international artists contributing to an ever-evolving open-air gallery. The challenge? The city's weather can fade colors over time, but that just adds character and history to each piece. What's charming here is how the art weaves into everyday life, appearing on old tiles, crumbling walls, and even abandoned factories. Exploring Lisbon's street art is like unraveling a colorful tapestry rich with humor, political satire, and stunning creativity. So bring a camera and plenty of time. Bogotá, Colombia. Bogotá is transforming its image from a troubled past to a vibrant cultural hotspot, thanks in no small part to its thriving street art scene. Murals here serve as both artistic expression and social commentary, addressing issues like peace, identity, and resilience. While some areas require caution due to safety concerns, most street art districts like La Candelaria are welcoming and full of life, with guided tours that provide context and stories behind the paintings. It's like walking through an evolving textbook of Colombia's history and culture, just with much more color and attitude. Don't forget to respect local customs and explore during daylight to fully appreciate the detail and energy. New York City, United States. New York's streets have been a canvas for rebellious creativity since the dawn of hip-hop and graffiti culture. From Brooklyn's sprawling murals to Manhattan's hidden alleyways, the city pulses with urban art that is iconic and influential worldwide. Yet, the city's evolving stance on graffiti means some art disappears overnight, so catching new pieces requires vigilance and luck. It's part of the thrill, knowing that some masterpieces are temporary, like urban butterflies. Imagine standing before a wall painted by legends like Banksy or Jean-Michel Basquiat's spirit whispering through the colors. To fully enjoy, explore on foot, and don't hesitate to ask locals for hidden spots. NYC's street art scene is as much about community as it is about creativity. Mexico City, Mexico. Mexico City boasts one of the richest street art scenes in Latin America, merging indigenous influences with contemporary messages about politics, identity, and social justice. Neighborhoods like La Roma and Condesa feature walls alive with murals that are bold, colorful, and packed with symbolism. Despite occasional political tensions that inspire much of the art, the city embraces street art as a vital form of cultural dialogue and pride. The sheer volume and variety can be overwhelming, but in the best way possible. Every street corner seems to tell a different story. When visiting, stay aware of your surroundings, but don't miss the chance to dive into this artistic whirlwind that pulses at the heart of Mexico's capital. Cape Town, South Africa. Cape Town's street art scene is a dynamic mix of bright murals, political statements, and cultural pride, reflecting the city's complex history and vibrant present. District 6, once a place of forced removals, is now a canvas of resilience and memory, painted by locals reclaiming their narrative through art. While safety can be a concern in some areas, the street art districts are generally safe and welcoming, especially when explored with local guides who bring stories to life. Imagine strolling through alleys where every wall is a shout of survival and creativity, a moving blend of past struggles and future hope. Bring an open heart and a curious mind to appreciate how art heals and empowers communities here. Penang, Malaysia. Penang surprises many with its extensive street art scene, especially in Georgetown, where walls come alive with witty, whimsical, and sometimes poignant murals. The fusion of colonial architecture and contemporary art creates a unique visual dialogue that captures the island's multicultural soul. Though some art has been commercialized for tourism, the best pieces still hold authentic stories that connect past and present. Exploring Penang's street art is like embarking on a scavenger hunt filled with humor and history, perfect for those who love discovering hidden gems. Comfortable shoes and a sense of adventure will serve you well as you wander winding streets filled with colorful surprises. Paris, France. Paris may be famous for its classical art and iconic museums, but its street art scene offers a rebellious and fresh contrast that few expect. Neighborhoods like Belleville and the 13th arrondissement showcase murals by internationally renowned artists that challenge conventions and beautify forgotten corners. The city's sometimes strict laws mean artists must be discreet, adding a layer of intrigue to the hunt for hidden masterpieces. Street art here is a bit like the city itself, a mix of elegance and edge, tradition and revolution. Whether you're a seasoned art lover or just curious, Paris's urban canvases invite you to look beyond the Eiffel Tower and explore the city's vibrant, colorful soul. Street art turns ordinary city streets into extraordinary galleries filled with stories, colors, and emotions that speak louder than words. These 10 cities offer not just visuals, but immersive experiences that challenge, inspire, and delight. If you found yourself craving a trip to one of these urban art havens, please hit like, subscribe, and share your favorite street art cities or experiences in the comments below. Your support fuels this journey of discovery and keeps the conversation about art and culture alive. Keep exploring and stay curious. There's always a new masterpiece waiting just around the corner.